Hey everyone, today we are putting two creative AI video generators head to head, Seedream 4.0 and Nano Banana. Both are getting attention in 2025, but which one is truly worth your time? Stick around, this will not take more than 5 minutes. Quick overview. Let's start with what they are. Seedream 4.0 is the latest version of Seedream's AI video tool designed for ultra high quality short films, realistic textures, and smooth camera transitions. Nano Banana is focused on speed and accessibility. It's lighter, quicker, and geared towards creators who want short form, snappy content without waiting hours for rendering. Video quality. In terms of raw video quality, Seedream 4.0 wins hands down. Its frames look cinematic with detailed environments and natural motion. Nano Banana videos are good, but you will notice more artifacts and less realism, especially in complex scenes. So if your priority is professional looking video, Seedream takes the crown here. Speed and ease of use. Now, speed and ease of use is where Nano Banana shines. It generates clips in minutes, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or quick client drafts. Seedream 4.0 can take much longer, sometimes several hours, depending on the prompt. For beginners or casual creators, Nano Banana feels friendlier and less intimidating. Features and flexibility. Seedream 4.0 offers advanced control, multi-prompt layering, dynamic camera path, and high-resolution export. It's aimed at filmmakers, animators, and studios. Nano Banana keeps things simple. It has preset styles and templates, but fewer customization options. You trade flexibility for speed. Pricing and value. Pricing is also different. Seedream 4.0 is more expensive, reflecting its pro-level capabilities. Nano Banana is cheaper and even offers a free tier with watermarks, making it attractive for budget-conscious users. Conclusion and final verdict. So which one wins? If you want top-tier cinematic AI videos and are willing to invest time and money, Seedream 4.0 is the winner. But if you prefer fast, fun, and affordable video generation for social media or personal projects, Nano Banana might be your best bet. Ultimately, it depends on your needs. I would say Seedream wins on quality, while Nano Banana wins on speed and accessibility. And that is it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.